Hey everyone, and welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today we're diving into a topic that I think about a lot. We live in a world obsessed with wealth, but honestly, simply having money isn't that impressive. What truly captivates people goes far beyond the digits in your bank account. Let's get started. Now, initial attraction often stems from physical appearance. We're biologically wired to notice it. But what truly makes a couple impressive isn't just their looks. It's the depth of their connection. A partner who is intelligent, supportive, and fiercely loyal, that's magnetic. Think about couples you admire, those who've stood the test of time. These qualities shine brighter than any material possession and leave a lasting impression on everyone around you.
Ever notice how some people just command attention when they walk into a room? It's not about their wealth, it's their presence. They're engaging storytellers, they listen attentively, and their humor is on point. They're comfortable in their own skin, and it shows. This charisma is often rooted in genuine confidence, not arrogance, but a quiet self-assurance that draws people in. Think about the most charismatic figures in history, from entertainers to entrepreneurs. When you can hold a room's attention without flashing a Rolex, that's true influence.
This might seem simple, but hear me out. In a world of takeout and meal prep services, someone who can effortlessly whip up a delicious meal is a rare gem. It shows resourcefulness, creativity, and the ability to nourish yourself and others, qualities that are universally appealing. Invite friends over, share a meal, and let your love for life shine through. It's a simple pleasure that speaks volumes about your character and leaves a lasting impression on everyone at the table.
We all know that person who inherited their wealth and seems to coast through life on their family's dime. Now compare that to someone who started with nothing and built their own empire from the ground up. The self-made individual embodies resilience, grit, and an unwavering work ethic. Their journey is a testament to the power of hard work and determination. That's a story that resonates with everyone, regardless of their background.
Creating something that outlives you, whether it's a novel, painting, or music, that's true legacy. It takes vulnerability, creativity, and dedication to bring art into the world. Think about the books, movies, and songs that have moved you deeply. If you have a story or vision, share it. The impact is immeasurable.
Ever notice how some people just attract a diverse and interesting crew? They effortlessly strike up conversations and build genuine connections. It's about surrounding yourself with people who challenge, inspire, and support you. This ability to connect is invaluable. It opens doors to new experiences and enriches your life.
In today's disposable culture, being able to fix something that's broken is a lost art. Yet, there's something incredibly satisfying and impressive about troubleshooting a problem and finding a solution using your own two hands. It demonstrates resourcefulness, problem-solving skills, and a willingness to learn qualities that are highly valued in any aspect of life. So next time something breaks, resist the urge to immediately call a professional. You'll be surprised at what you're capable of, and the sense of accomplishment will be well worth the effort.
Now, before you jump to conclusions, this isn't about conforming to unrealistic beauty standards. A desirable physique simply means taking care of your body and presenting your best self to the world. Achieving and maintaining a healthy physique requires discipline, consistency, and a commitment to making choices that support your well-being. Remember, taking care of your body is an act of self-respect. It demonstrates a commitment to your own well-being and a desire to live a long, healthy, and fulfilling life.
In a world of fleeting fads, a deep understanding of art, history, and culture is impressive. It shows intellectual curiosity and an appreciation for the human experience. Engage in stimulating conversations about literature, analyze historical events, or debate artistic movements. This knowledge enriches your world and connects you with others.
True VIP treatment comes from building genuine relationships and earning the respect of those around you. It's about being recognized for your contributions, your character, and the value you bring to the table. Imagine walking into a restaurant and being greeted by name not because you're a big spender, but because you've cultivated a genuine rapport with the staff. This type of recognition is earned through consistent effort, integrity, and a genuine desire to make a positive impact. It's about building a reputation that precedes you and fosters trust, respect, and admiration from those you interact with. In a world where mediocrity reigns, going the extra mile speaks volumes about your work ethic and dedication. It's about exceeding expectations because you genuinely care about the task and people. These small acts leave a lasting impression. Your efforts won't go unnoticed. In a world of broken promises and flaky commitments, being someone who consistently keeps their word is a breath of fresh air. It demonstrates reliability, integrity, and a strong sense of personal responsibility. When you say you're going to do something, you do it. No excuses, no delays, no exceptions. This level of trustworthiness is essential for building strong relationships, both personally and professionally. When people know they can count on you, it fosters a deep sense of respect and admiration. So make a conscious effort to underpromise and overdeliver. In life, a happy and strong family is a masterpiece. It represents a sanctuary of love, support, and unwavering commitment. Building a strong family takes work. It requires open communication, empathy, and a willingness to prioritize the needs of the collective over individual desires. Remember, family is a gift, a priceless treasure that should be cherished and nurtured. The memories you create and the love you share will be your greatest legacy. True freedom is about control over your time. Design a life where you call the shots and pursue your passions. Prioritize your values and set healthy boundaries. Time is our most valuable resource. Once it's gone forever. As you can see, true wealth extends far beyond your bank account. It's about the relationships you nurture, the skills you develop, and the impact you have on the world around you. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Entrepreneurial Edge for more content on building a fulfilling and successful life. Thank you for watching, and remember, true wealth isn't about how much money you have, it's about how you choose to live your life. Until next time, take care.